I'm gonna make a snake green.
You gonna make a green snake?
Just like a purple snake. It's just for you.
Oh, thank you.
Will you show Pop my snake? Because he hasn't seen it yet. With its mouth. Gentle. Be gentle with it. Show him.
He has a mouth and he's eyes.
He has a mouth and eyes, my snake.
And he has a tail.
And he has a tail too. Look at his tail. He can wag his tail. Look, his tail goes. Tss, tss.
I'm gonna do words
Okay.
first. I'm gonna do words first and rub it down.
Where's Wavy's going?